5 home remedies for swollen gums. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider, and welcome back to the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of the great home remedies I got coming up for you. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 home remedies for swollen gums. So if you're ready, let's go. Swollen gums are relatively common. The good news is, there is a lot you can do at home to help alleviate swollen gums and minimize the discomfort. Please remember, if your gums remain swollen for more than a week, make sure to make an appointment with your dentist. They can diagnose the exact cause of the swelling and recommend a treatment plan. Now with that said, there are some great home remedies that you can try for swollen gums. And here are 5 home remedies for swollen gums that you can try today. Number 1, saltwater rinse. A saltwater rinse is a great way to soothe gum inflammation and speed up the healing process at the same time. For this home remedy, simply mix 1 teaspoon of salt to 8 ounces of lukewarm water. Mix well, then rinse your mouth with the saltwater solution for around 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, simply spit out, but remember, do not swallow. You can do this method 2 to 3 times a day until the swelling goes away and the pain subsides. Number 2, warm and cold compresses. Warm and cold compresses will help relieve pain and swelling for your swollen gums. For this remedy, simply soak a clean washcloth or a towel in warm water and squeeze out the excess water. And you can also use a normal compress where you can fill it with warm or hot water or even ice. After, hold the warm cloth or compress against your face outside the mouth, not directly on the gums. Hold it there for about 5 to 10 minutes. After applying the warm compress or warm towel, then you want to wrap a bag of crushed ice in a clean washcloth or towel and hold it in the same place against your face for about 5 to 10 minutes as well. You want to repeat this process warm and cold cycle 2 to 3 more times. You can do this 2 to 3 times a day for the first 2 days following the discovery of the swollen gums. Number 3, turmeric paste. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties in it. People have been using turmeric for its pain-relieving properties for centuries. For this one, simply mix a powdered form of turmeric with a small amount of warm water. Mix until the consistency becomes a paste-like substance. Then apply some of the paste directly to the site of the gum pain or where your gums are swollen. Leave the paste on for a few minutes, then rinse it away. You can use the paste as often as necessary to help alleviate swelling and pain. Number 4, hydrogen peroxide. State health departments around the U.S. suggest that red, sore, or swollen gums should be rinsed thoroughly with a water and a hydrogen peroxide solution using food-grade 3% hydrogen peroxide solution only. For this home remedy, you want to mix 3 tablespoons of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 3 tablespoons of water. After mixing, swish the mixture around in your mouth for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, of course, spit it out and remember not to swallow it. You can do this 2 to 3 times a week until the swelling or pain goes away. Number 5, essential oils. Many pharmaceutical products contain essential oils due to the various health benefits that they provide. Some people also will purchase essential oils to create their own home remedies for various things. Clove, oregano, and peppermint oils all have properties that may help reduce inflammation, decrease pain, and improve circulation. For this remedy, you want to make a spray containing essential oils and water and use this to reduce the gum swelling and pain. To create a spray, simply add 4 to 5 drops of essential oil and 1 ounce of water to a clean spray bottle, one of those small little spray bottles. Make sure to shake it and mix it a little bit, then spray the mixture onto the site of your gums where the swelling and pain is. Okay, well, that's all I got for today. I know it was a short one. I hope you enjoyed today's video on 5 home remedies for swollen gums. Also, don't forget to head on over to our blog, click the link in the description, and don't forget to get over there and get your free 100 plus home remedies ebook. So if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, as this helps us out a lot here, and it does help us keep the lights on at Remedies Insider. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can get notified when we upload a video. I am uploading videos weekly. Thank you again for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Take care and God bless.